You are going to love the 2014 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Come take a test drive today.